Hello, my name is Sharon Robson and I'm a consultant at SoftEd. In this whiteboard session, I'm going to talk to you about high-performing teams. The best thing about high-performing teams is you can deliberately make one. A high-performing team has 4 key attributes, and if you're focused on delivering these attributes, you and your team can become high-performing. The first thing that a high-performing team does is they have evolving practices. So a high-performing team always learns and adjusts. They're focused on delivering a value and they're looking for how they can enhance the collective ability to deliver that value. They don't become stuck in their ways. They're always looking to sharpen the saw and they're looking for improvement. The second thing that a high-performing team has is intentional engagement. You don't become high-performing by accident. Every member of the team must actually want to achieve an amazing outcome, and they lean into the engagement of the team. The engagement is not just around knowledge though. The engagement is how they interact, the collaborative stance that they take, and their ability to share and grow knowledge collectively. That's leveraged by the third thing that a high-performing team absolutely nails. A high-performing team has mutual respect for every member of the team. Every member of the team is there to do a very specialized job. Every member of the team does the job the best they can. And if someone finds that they're struggling, the team rallies around to help them. That's where we get our emergent or evolving practices from. The other thing that a high-performing team specializes in is feedback. By gathering and using meaningful feedback. They give feedback to each other constantly. They give feedback to the wider environment they live in constantly. They're open to feedback that helps them grow and improve. They're not focused on only the good bits. They want to know the not so nice bits as well because they're focused on achieving the outcome. A shared and common goal, making sure we're aligned on the practices and the techniques we're going to use, understanding that we have to intentionally engage, having mutual respect and meaningful respect for every member of the team, and recognizing that we want to gather the feedback so that we can constantly improve. That's how you become a high-performing team.